To create a neon ghost effect in CapCut for PC, start by dragging your video clip onto the timeline. Split the clip at the point where you want the effect to begin, then move the second part of the clip down to a separate track. Move the playhead to the start of the second clip and add a scale and opacity keyframe. Move the playhead to the end of the clip. Zoom in and set opacity to 0. New keyframes will be added automatically. Go to Effects, search for Neon, select the neon effect, and apply it to the top layer clip. Adjust the atmosphere setting to 20.